Hi everybody! Today we are going to learn how to make specific text sections read-only for collaborators in Google Docs. Google Docs does not have a native lock selection button for individual paragraphs, but you can restrict edits on specific sections using a simple workaround. First, open your document in Google Docs on your desktop web browser. Highlight the specific section of text that you want to make read-only and prevent collaborators from editing. Right-click the highlighted text, select Cut, or press Ctrl+X on Windows or Command+X on Mac. Go to the top menu bar, click on Insert, hover over Drawing, and select New. Click the text box tool at the top of the drawing canvas window, click on the drawing area, and paste your cut text inside the text box using Ctrl+V or Command+V. Format the text font and size inside the drawing window to match your document style, then click Save and Close in the top right corner. Your text will now appear in the document as an embedded drawing element rather than raw text. When collaborators open the file with edit permissions, they will be unable to edit the words directly inside the document canvas. Alternatively, if you want collaborators to suggest changes without altering the original text, change their share permissions from editor to commenter. Anyone with commenter access can read the document and suggest edits via track changes, keeping your original text sections completely protected until approved. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.